Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to check Google responses on mobile. First, you need to open up your Google Chrome, then sign into your Google account associated with the Google form for which you want to check responses. After that, tap on the search bar and type forms.google.com. Now we are on a page to create a new form. However, we want to review the responses from a previous form. So for this, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner and tap on the Request Desktop Site option here. Now we are on the Google Forms homepage where we can access all the forms we have created. Next, you need to open the form for which you want to view the responses. Now you can see that we have opened the form. At the top, you will see an option labeled Responses. Just click on it, and there you can view all the responses to the form. Here, you have three options for viewing the responses. The first option is a summary, which provides an overview of all the processes of all the responses. Next, you can see the responses questions by question. So just click on the question page. Now you will notice that for the question, do you use YouTube? All the answers are listed here. Now, if I want to see the responses for another question, I can simply click on this box and select a different question over here. After that, tap on the green Google Sheet icon on the right side. Now you can see all the responses that are linked to the spreadsheet. Here you can also view the timestamp of each response. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.